Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam. I do lots of DIYs and random videos. I feel like I should just put on my specs ndio tukuwe na heshima kidogo so that I look serious. Okay. Better. So how have you been? How are you guys doing? I hope you're good. So today's project, I want to make scrunchies. Very simple DIY. I know. Yeah, I want to make scrunchies for my friends. I am using this Ankara. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I made pants and a dress using this fabric, and most of my friends at the office liked them. Oh, liked the fabric. The clothes too, but the fabric, yeah. So I wanted to make, because I didn't have much left, I wanted to make them some scrunchies. So that is what I'm going to make for them. Yes, so that at least each one of them has something from the fabric, yeah? Yeah, so let's do it. So you're going to need fabric, some elastic, of course scissors, basic things. So the strip, you are going to make it 5 inches, around 5 inches by 20 inches. And then the elastic, you can just wrap it around your wrist to get the exact measurements, but I am using around 7 inches for the elastic.